Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Gráfico knot, the Spanish word for graphic. That's your word for the day. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. We have two ties, one skinny, one regular size, so you can see the difference between the two. We're going to bring this over, bring it up and over like this. And for the darker one on the front, I'm just going to come around to the top one. I'm just going to do a cylinder. We're just going to do a cylinder. Like so. Put that down like that. And then I'm just going to kind of spread it down a little bit. Alright, so then this is where we have we'll have this little loop here. As you scan it down, if you pull it down, you have this little opening here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the bottom tie and put it underneath that. Okay, so this is what we have here so far. Come back like this and come down like so. Come to the opposite side. We're going to fold this in half. We're going to come down like so, down and around like this. So the bottom tie is the one you're going to really be highlighting in this one. You're just going to have that cylinder going down here. Let me keep this tie straight. You're going to have the cylinder kind of going spread down like this, almost Van Wyck style, but the focus is up here. So then we're going to have this folded in half again. We're going to come over here like so. Then we're going to still have it folded in half, and we're going to have it come up and underneath here like this. And there you have that. So again, let me put my buttons in place. Again, see the picture of this knot on my Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.